Good afternoon, APS families. Welcome to our Week 4 Assembly. My name's Mr. Smith and I'm one of the Foundation teachers. I'd first like to start today's assembly by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet. I'd like to pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging, and to any Aboriginal elders who may be watching today. Can you please stand for the National Anthem?
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are young and free, with golden soil and wealth untold. Our home is girt by seas, our land abounds in nature's gifts, our beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant southern cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who come across the seas, we've found this place to share. With courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Thanks for that, little tackers. Wow, what a big week for our foundation students. They've just celebrated 100 days of school. Can you believe it? I remember when my first day of school started. Here's a photo of the front of the school. Do you recognise it? What about some of the teachers that used to work here? Not many skirts. Haha. Oh, I'm so proud. All the teachers are so proud of all the resilience and the effort and the commitment that the Foundation of Students have shown this year. Wow, what a year we've had. We love seeing their big beaming smiles and we love listening to your funny conversations before we start our WebEx meetings every morning. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, sorry about that, technology. Here's our foundation poem. After all the changes and challenges we have tackled this year, our 100th day is finally here. It really has been quite a year for us all in Foundation. It's now time for an important celebration.
100 days of counting, reading and writing, and the letters and sounds that we've been reciting. Even though we've spent time apart, that hasn't stopped us from learning. Aren't we smart?
We've all learned how good a friend can be. With kindness, trust and honesty, we all miss each other, but we still start each morning with a smile. Just remember, we'll be back together in a little while.
We discovered we could learn and connect in many ways. We're proud of ourselves on this 100th day. Now let's celebrate with a hip hip hooray.
I'd now like to hand over to the assembly leaders.
Oh, hi guys, didn't see you there. Welcome to our regular Friday assembly. I'm Charles Ryan, one of your Flinders House captains. We're getting pretty good at this remote assembly stuff now.
We sure are, Charles. I'm Stella, the other house captain. These videos are just getting better and better. We hope that lots of families are tuning in this Friday afternoon to see our assemblies.
Hi guys, Charlie back again. Now we're going to look at some tips that our peer leaders have put together about how to occupy yourself during remote learning part 2.
They have some great ideas about keeping yourself busy so you don't get bored.
Share as well. There are people with games and ISO School.
Hello Aspendale Primary School. Welcome to ISO School. This week's topic is how to keep yourself entertained during lockdown. Now, I've brought a special guest. His name is Big Tom. He reminds me of someone. I just can't put my finger on it. Maybe you can assist me with that one. Now, Big Tom, what day is it today? Oh yeah? Great, it's Friday! Now, time to take a look through the window. A good way to entertain yourself during lockdown is to learn a new musical instrument like me. A good way to entertain yourself is playing The Floor is Lava. Oh, don't fall into the lava, Big Tom! Oh, I got you! Hey there, another way to keep yourself entertained during lockdown is playing hide and seek. Tom, where are you, Tom? Tom? Oh, there you are. Found you. Another way to keep yourself entertained during lockdown is set yourself a jump challenge and increase your jumps every day on a trampoline. Like me. And that Aspendale Primary School is just a few examples how to keep yourself entertained during lockdown. As you can see, Tom is fast asleep. See you all next week. Bye.
Make sure you're keeping yourself entertained during this second lockdown. See, I'm keeping myself entertained.
Hey guys, thanks peer leaders. Those were some good tips. We all need to be organising ourselves and doing things to fill in the days. As you can see, I've been riding my bike.
And I've been sewing face masks, going on rides and doing some cooking.
Now it's time for Student of the Week. We all know everyone's been working extra hard.
We sure are, and it's nice to see our efforts congratulated.
Awarded to Indigo MacDonald for creating a fantastic book about Emily the Worm to help a younger student deal with a challenging situation. Well done. To Lucas Sears for being a keen inquirer and demonstrating such commitment and enthusiasm towards completing his passport to Earth's investigation. Awarded to Archer Lakeland for his positive approach to learning tasks and demonstrating an excellent understanding of different subtraction strategies. Awarded to Jasper Gibson for always having such fantastic contributions to our small group sessions and class meetings. We loved hearing about the shark sighting. Awarded to Marlon Hemming for his enthusiasm and great thinking about sharing in a small group session. Keep it up, Marlon. Awarded to Anna Hines of 2M for her brilliant presence with all face-to-face sessions in small groups and a super work ethic. Top work, Anna. Awarded to Elad Tostarjani of 2C for his amazing chocolate research and note-taking, especially including the How Chocolate is Made video link. Awesome, Elad. Awarded to Cullen Hawken for taking a positive approach to remote learning and giving all learning tasks a red hot go. Keep up the amazing effort and determination, Carl. Awarded to Darius Hill for confidently sharing his excellent ideas when working in groups. He has been amazing to see. Keep up the great work. Awarded to Lola Stone for her incredible motivation and resilience. You really have lifted the bar in producing great ideas. Awarded to Mitchell Claypole of FW for his brilliant description of a lion. Your choice of adjectives were outstanding. I can't wait to read more pieces of writing from you. Awarded to Megan Webster for your excellent place value work in maths this week. What a star. Awarded to Steele Lamb for being so determined to finish all his tasks. I can see your resilience and independence growing. Keep up the great work. Awarded to all the Foundationists for their amazing research and completed presentations when answering their inquiry questions about waste.
Congratulations to all our Student of the Week. We hope you've enjoyed the assembly and are looking forward to some sunshine.
Thanks for tuning in. Have a brilliant weekend.